Hello everyone, welcome back. Outstanding video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error on iPad, unable to check for the update. If you want to update your iPad, then face this type of error. So how to fix? First of all, go back to your home screen and open your iPad setting, and from here you tap on Wi-Fi, then tap on Wi-Fi connection, then tap on forget this network, tap on forget. After a few minutes you have connect, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on aeroplane mode at least the 30 seconds. You have turned it off, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then tap on journal, then tap on date and time, and from here make sure that turn on board toggle. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it turn on and set correct date and time, and after that go back, tap on iPhone storage, and from here scroll down, then delete useless app, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down, then tap on transfer reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method. Go back your home screen, open your iPhone and iPad setting. From here tap on Apple Ad banner name, then tap on media and purchase, then tap on view account, then tap on change country region, tap on again change country region. From here select any one country. I'm selecting United States, and from here wait some second. Terms and condition, read carefully, then tap on agree. From here select your payment method. I am select none. From here enter your state, then tap on city. From here select your state. I'm select California, then tap on California zip code, enter your California zip code, then tap on your mobile number, then tap on next. After change your country or region, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.